Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the image and the display. Open the image properties and check pixel dimensions. You need equal or greater pixels than your screen. If the file is heavily compressed, replace it with a high-quality PNG or high-quality JPG. Once done, place the image in a convenient folder and note its exact resolution. Make sure scaling settings will not enlarge the file. This prevents blur from upscaling. Now you're ready to move into System Display Settings to apply the image correctly. You now adjust how the OS displays the image. Go to Display Settings and set the monitor to its native resolution. This prevents the system from resampling the wallpaper. Next, adjust display scaling. Keep it at 100% whenever possible so the wallpaper isn't auto-resized. When you must use 125% or 150%, expect some changes and choose an image with extra pixels. Then set the wallpaper positioning to fill for same aspect images or center for exact pixel match. You finish by exporting and applying the optimized image. Save a copy at 100% quality and the correct pixel size, then set it as wallpaper. If the image still looks soft, restart the desktop shell or graphics driver to clear caching, and make sure GPU or monitor scaling features are disabled because they can reprocess the image. If problems continue, try a different image with higher resolution to confirm whether the issue is the file or the display pipeline. This single test quickly isolates the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.